Have you noticed that your parents are forgetting things more often, struggling to pay bills, or perhaps even withdrawing from the activities they used to enjoy? You might be wondering, is this normal aging, or do they need help? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and it's something you want to pay attention to sooner rather than later. I'm Chris Johnson with McGinnis Elder Care Law. Today, I want to discuss some early signs that your aging parents may require additional support and what you can do to ensure they're safe, healthy, and protected. Stick around because I'll also share how we've helped families like yours navigate these situations. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss future tips for protecting your loved ones. So how do you know if it's time to step in? Here are some things to watch for. Number one, memory changes. Maybe your parents are misplacing items, repeating questions, or forgetting appointments. Everyone forgets things every now and again, but consistent memory lapses can be an early warning that they might need support. Secondly, trouble managing finances. If bills are going unpaid, checks are missing, or you notice unusual spending, that too is a sign. Managing money can become overwhelming with age, and early intervention can prevent bigger problems down the road. Thirdly, changes in daily life or appearance. Skipping showers more often, wearing the same clothes for days after days, or neglecting grooming might seem minor to you, but these are clues that your loved one might be struggling to care for themselves physically. Next, social withdrawal. Have they stopped going to their weekly card games or avoiding visits with friends? Isolation can lead to depression or other health issues, so it's worth paying attention to. Mood or personality changes, sudden irritability, anger, or sadness can be a sign that something is amiss. Changes in behavior or personality shouldn't be brushed off as just getting older. That's where we step in. At Johnson McGinnis, we specialize in life care planning. What does that mean? It's not just about the legal paperwork. It's about helping families create a plan that covers healthcare, finances, and day-to-day support. The goal is to achieve peace of mind for the entire family. So, let me give you an example. I had a son and daughter-in-law come in to talk about mom, the son's mom, and she was living on her own, and everyone thought everything was fine. And we were going through some questions. Can she dress herself? Can she bathe herself? Can she do all those things you're expected to do to take care of yourself? And she was passing with flying colors, and we thought, this is a great situation. And just then the daughter-in-law mentioned, yeah, but we've had to call the fire department 3 times this month. That is a huge flag. And so when we started picking that apart and understanding why, and there was excuse after excuse. Well, there was a grease fire. Something was left in the oven too long. The backsplash caught on fire. And we said, these are real problems. And what was happening was the adult children who were providing a huge level of care were so overwhelmed and overburdened that they saw these events as just, well, that's what happens, instead of seeing them for the warning signs that they were. We were able to sit down with them, put together a plan, get some help and assistance for them in the home so they could catch their breath, go back to being the children of mom and not just the sole caregivers of mom. And what happened was everyone was better off. Mom was in a safer situation, the children had a little bit of their sanity back, and everything was taken care of moving forward. Those are the types of situations that we fix every day here at Johnson McGinnis. At Johnson McGinnis Elder Care Law, we specialize in life care planning to support families like yours. Contact us today for a consultation.